In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compress video on CapCut PC without losing quality. First, make sure you already have your video project open in CapCut and that you're completely finished with your edits. This means all your cuts, text, effects, and audio are exactly how you want them, because after export, you usually won't come back to tweak small things. Once you're ready, look toward the top bar of the CapCut window. On the right-hand side, you'll see an export button. Click that, and from the drop-down that appears, choose Download. When you do this, the panel will refresh and show several fields with your download or export settings. These settings are the key to compressing your video while keeping it looking good. Start with the resolution option. Just under the word resolution, you'll see a drop-down menu. Open that, and you'll be able to choose anything from 360p up to 1080p. Here, you want to match the resolution of your original footage. For most modern projects, that's usually 1080p. If your source video is 1080p, keep it at 1080p. If your original footage is lower, like 720p, don't select 1080p just to make it look better. Upscaling like that won't improve quality and can actually give you a larger file for no real benefit. Next, look for the quality setting. This is where you can really balance file size and appearance. If your goal is a smaller file without noticeable quality loss, choose the recommended option. This gives you a good level of compression while keeping the image clean for most uses, whether you're uploading to social media, sending to a client, or storing it on your drive. Now, move down to the frame rate option. You'll see another drop-down where you can choose values from 24 frames per second up to 60 frames per second. The safest choice is to match the original frame rate of your footage. If your source is 30 frames per second, keep it at 30. If it's 60 frames per second, keep it at 60. You can technically lower the frame rate to reduce file size, but be aware this can affect how smooth your video looks, especially with fast motion. Then look for the format setting. In most cases, choose MP4. This format uses efficient compression standards like H.264 or H.265, which are great for keeping quality high while shrinking the file size. Other formats like MOV are usually heavier and only necessary for specific workflows. Once all these settings are dialed in to match your source while balancing size and quality, simply click Export. CapCut will start processing your video with those settings. When it's done, your video will be compressed and ready to use without a noticeable drop in quality, and that's it.